Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I am here for another Wellness Wednesday check-in. So this week was a little bit of a mess, to be honest. Overall, it went theoretically well, but there's some things that happened that were very confusing. But first I'll go over my healthy habits. I hydrated pretty well Monday through Friday. I did not yesterday. Yesterday did not go well at all. I had really bad headaches because I was working and staring at screens all day and I did not have enough water. So I had to collapse into bed early. But today's been going better. I worked out 3 times this week, Monday through Wednesday. Thursday I was driving a lot. Friday I was working on orders. Saturday I had a headache, and today I had a lot of recording to do. I'm filming on Sunday so that I can leave later to go back to New York City. And then I did yoga twice this week. I might do it again tonight. We will see. And then I ate healthy all week, although there is kind of an asterisk to that, and I'll explain that when I get to my meal log. And then my watch rings. I only wore my watch Monday through Thursday, and I had all 3 rings for Monday through Thursday. Friday I didn't wear my watch. Saturday I didn't wear my watch, and I'm wearing it today. So we'll see how that goes. I will probably only get 1 ring, to be honest, because I won't have a chance to work out today. I'll probably reach my standing goal maybe, or maybe my moving goal. I don't know, because I have to drive again today. So it's going to be busy. The 15th is this week, so I will put in my measurements once that happens. My weight has gone down from the scale that I looked at this morning. It's gone down about 3 pounds. And let's go over into my health information. So the reason why I said that there's kind of an asterisk is because of coffee. I was in the city, so I was ordering Starbucks. And Starbucks has the option to put skinny mocha sauce in, which only has 1 gram per pump of the skinny mocha sauce. And so I was getting a regular coffee with the skinny mocha sauce and with heavy cream, which was only about 1 gram. So it's about 5 grams of carbs per, grande cup of coffee, which fine, because I don't really have breakfast. That's kind of my breakfast. So I'm totally fine with putting 5 grams of carbs towards my coffee. However, on Thursday, when we went into Starbucks, a friend of mine, one of my coworkers, asked, what makes your drinks quote unquote skinny? And they said, we add non-fat milk. And he's like, that's not doing anything. And then he said, what about skinny mocha sauce? And they said, we don't have skinny mocha sauce here. We just put less pumps of regular mocha sauce, which one pisses me off because there's drinks that they say that they can't do at the store because they don't have it, but they don't do that for the sauces and stuff. And I think they do that for the milks too when they don't have certain milks. So I'm not sure why they think that it's okay to put regular mocha sauce when I literally have to put on the thing, no mocha sauce, skinny mocha sauce. I know this is a first world problem. I know that this is probably a white girl problem, but it's very frustrating to be trying to do something the right way and a company just disregards that. So I figured out a different drink from Starbucks that will be quote unquote keto, but I do not think I was keto Monday through Thursday. I have to reorder the keto strips to see what my ketosis is. So I don't think I was in ketosis Monday through Thursday because of that situation. However, I And then the other issue I had was when I was using MyFitnessPal, it wasn't doing the net carbs, it was doing total carbs, which if you are on keto, you know that the dietary fiber, I think that's what it's called, dietary fiber and sugar alcohols do not count towards your net carbs. So I had to switch over to Carb Manager so that I could count those better. And so that's why you see 24.3 and how it like breaks it down that much. And then on Wednesday is when I switched to the Carb Manager. So overall, the week went pretty decently today. Yesterday did not go quite as well, mostly because I had dark chocolate, and boy, was it good to have dark chocolate. But I've been getting a lot of recipes for keto type meals, and I will actually create a Pinterest board for those that are interested and link it on my description below. And I shared it like in my stories when I did this chicken parm. It's basically chicken coated in parm. So you do the egg wash and then you just do Parmesan cheese. You don't do any sort of breading. So that is how my health went. And then Monday I had leg day. It was a really good day. Back day went okay, not as great. And then I did yoga for my primary workout on Wednesday. By the end of the week, there's just so much traveling and I was doing so much that I was literally just exhausted. So really yoga was about as much as I could do. My knee gets really, it becomes very painful towards the end of the week because of all the stairs that I have to take going to and from New York City with all of the subway stairs and all that kind of stuff. So my knee just gets in terrible pain. So I can't, like, that's kind of a thing that I need to remember, is that like I need to do leg day towards the beginning of the week, so that way at least I'm getting a good leg day in, and then just doing exercise. And like I did physical therapy these Thursday through Sunday, but I don't really count that towards my workout unless it's like a full therapy routine. Like when I go to physical therapy and it's a 50-minute session, I don't count the regular physical therapy towards my exercise. Maybe I should. Maybe that's a cheat for me because I am exercising, but regardless. So that is how my wellness went this week. So Wednesday was it? 12, Monday, 13, 14, 15. So Wednesday is when I will be doing, actually it will probably be Thursday morning since I'm working at home on Thursday. So on Thursday I will be doing my updated body focus numbers, and you guys will see that in the next Wellness Wednesday. So my suggestion to you guys is so doing keto was really hard without looking up recipes, because I didn't do that this week. When I'm staying in the city, I don't really have that much of a kitchen to work with. So trying to prep today and yesterday for the week ahead, it was extremely helpful. I got a bunch of guacamole, and I'm making these cheesecake fat bombs today, and so and made a ton of bacon, and I prepped all that stuff ahead of time so that way at least I have some sort of snacks and things like that. But looking up recipes will go a long way for you in terms of dietary restrictions. If you're doing Whole30, if you're doing keto like myself, trying to look up recipes will be your saving grace, because just trying to get by with snacks, if you saw my numbers, you saw that my numbers were very protein heavy. It wasn't the 75-25, whatever it is, breakdown that it should be, where it's much heavier in fat, because I didn't really have a recipe for fat, and I only brought like my leftover steaks from Texas de Brazil for lunches. So then I had to like work my way around it after that. So I highly suggest looking up recipes online. There's tons of resources, particularly for keto and Whole30, because those are two of the more popular things that people are doing at the beginning of the year. So I'm going to go ahead and link my Pinterest board with a bunch of keto recipes below in case you guys are interested. And those don't have to be for people that are only doing keto. Those are all low carb recipes. So if you are just interested in doing some sort of low carb meal, you know, a couple times a week, that might be helpful for you. So it's really about, you know, those minor substitutions. Like instead of the breading for chicken parm, we used Parmesan cheese for chicken parm, and it worked out really well. It was really delicious. So I'm going to link that below for you guys. And if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Again, please be nice. This is a very hard subject for me, for other people who are trying to be healthy. Please don't be know-it-alls. I'm trying not to be a know-it-all. I'm just doing it based on my experience and trying to share this journey and how this journey is going for me, so that one, I have some sort of accountability, two, that other people don't feel alone. And it was really nice seeing that in the comments. So thank you guys so much for joining me for another Wellness Wednesday, and I will see you on Friday for another video. Bye everyone.